G'day guys, welcome to Learn Spoken English, and today we're going to learn how to pronounce the 12 months of the year. So first up we've got is January. So as you can see below, the pronunciation trick is January. Next up we've got is February. So the R in this case is actually silent, so we don't usually pronounce it as February. Instead we say February. Moving on, we've got March. So the same thing applies here. The R is silent as well. So instead the way like we usually pronounce it is March. And then we've got April. This is relatively simple. Nothing too fancy here. It's just April. And then we've got May. So this one's pretty easy as well. May. June. So we tend to put more emphasis on the O. Even though there's no O present when you spell it, we just put more emphasis into it. June. Moving on, we've got July. So it's just July. We've got next as August. So O and a guest. August. And then we've got September. So the R, the last letter, is silent here. So it's just September. Moving on, we've got October. And then second last we've got is November. Finally, the last one is December. So just to recap, here's how we pronounce it all in order. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. এই ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক করবেন আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলে যাবেন না।